Hi you guys, welcome to my channel. It's me, Leah, and this is the last upload of the year. And it's a very exciting one for me as being a creator for so long. It's rare that I truly get excited and really motivated to really push and create tons of content. Here we are. Y'all have seen the title, you have seen the thumbnail of this video. I have finally purchased the Dji Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo. I'm not even going to waste my time talking about how all this is that, all this is that. There's so many videos up about specifics, more in-depth unboxings, if you will, but I'm really just gonna jump right into this video because I have a super busy day, a wax appointment in literally 45 minutes. For those that are not familiar with this camera, this is probably the hottest camera, if not top 3 on the market right now, for influencers, for creators, for enthusiasts, for people who just want a really dope camera and don't want to use a DSLR or a mirrorless or even your phone. And that's pretty much where I'm at this point in my creator career, influencing career. I am actually filming right now with my Canon 80D and with a smaller lens. I don't know the specific name of this lens. Now, I've had all of that for 8 years now, but it's crazy I still don't the name. I'm like, this is yeah. Inside comes the camera, comes a protective cover, the mic 2 transmitter, a handle with 1/4 tread, a battery handle as well, a mini tripod attachment, Type-C cable for charging, a carrying case, which is actually this, the mic 2 clip magnet, mic 2 windscreen, which basically limits, like if I was outside and it was super windy, it limits all that and allows for really crisp audio pickup from the microphone still. There's also a wide angle lens and the wrist strap. So excited, you guys. I believe this camera has been out, I want to say a year, if not approaching a year. And it's like every time I get online, whether it's a social media platform like Instagram or TikTok, or whether I get on YouTube, there are so many amazing creators sharing their insight, people that I'm familiar with, people that I'm not familiar with. Because this freaking camera is so popular, it is pushing all that type of content to me, which I love because it gives me so many different perspectives on this camera. This is the case that it comes in. Really nice, actually. I'm with it. Anything carrying case. Side note, I actually just purchased this case off of Amazon. Now, I feel like I do want a larger case that can hold literally all of my cameras, but this is more so for like cords, mini microphones that I use that are more like the things that I would use for my phone, my spare phone that I film with, just protective stuff, other tech, battery cameras. There's like a lens for my phone, chargers for my Canon cameras. Like for the batteries, I have an old GoPro in here, all the Canon batteries for the most part, a phone gimbal, and I have 2 external hard drives in here as well that are all down there, and then it flips, and then more stuff in here. And this little thing is amazing. I forgot how much it costs, but I'll leave it down below in the description so y'all can check that out. If you have tons of cord, you're like, oh my gosh, I need something to put all of this somewhere where it's accessible. And if you're traveling, it's an excellent way to travel safely. And that's my main thing. It's just having everything within an arm's reach and nice and neat together. Unzipping this thing here, and here is my new baby. Ooh, so excited. So freaking excited for this. Here we are. Here we are, you guys. It does have the protective sleeve on it. It lets you know that it can rotate. Vertical shooting obviously is this way, and if I'm going to be shooting for YouTube, it's going to be the horizontal. So freaking simple, so freaking easy. I honestly don't know why this type of technology wasn't released like 8 years ago. I really wanted to upload this video because this year and a half, I want to say, maybe like this year to year and a half, I really took a step back from creating constantly. Aside from aesthetics, I stepped back completely from social media with this transition of moving to North Carolina. And I know some of you that are, you know, used to me and this is not your first time seeing my face, like, girl, we thought you was coming back to YouTube full time. I thought I was too, but I truly understand now how I've noticed over the years certain creators have come back and then step back and come back and step back and come back and back and forth. It's like this weird relationship sometimes with work. I don't do any of it on purpose or intentionally. I don't think anybody does, honestly. It's just finding like a new balance in your new life, and that doesn't always include being on camera. Like, that's the last thing you want sometimes, is to be on camera. My life is very still right now, and I love it for me, because I used to always be like, so what's next? So what's next? So what's next? Right now, I don't feel that anxiety and pressure, and I'm not really putting that on myself, which I'm so thankful and happy for, because it's heavy. Like, you know, life can really be freaking tough, and it is. And when you're on social media and creating content, blah, 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 you know, you feel it even more, because you're like, oh my goodness, this is my career, this is how I pay my bills, this is my way of life. And then you're trying to figure out something different. So this is another cord that's going in here. But I do want to do something where I'm showing you all the quality. I could not post this video and not brag about the quality. I am going to turn it on really quickly. Okay, so we got some setup right here. It does make you download the app to actually help with functioning of the camera. I have read online, some people have like privacy issues and they're always worried about downloading more and more apps, putting their information into more things. From my understanding, it does not function unless you download the app. So I will be downloading the app. They were saying something about it doesn't work like after 5 times of trying to like operate it. Alright, and then I have to set up all these little, basically set up an account to best understand, I guess, me, why I have this camera, what type of content I'll be shooting. Definitely want tips and tutorials, daily recording, vlogging. Alright, well that is set up, I think. Oh, it says I need to connect the camera. This moves the gimbal. Dang, it moves slow. Y'all, why I downloaded the wrong app the first time. I downloaded the store for this brand, not the actual. I could have sworn I locked the gimbal. Swipe from right edge. Well, y'all, I have some playing around to do with this. I thought I was going to take this out with me to vlog, but that doesn't look like that's going to happen. Which is perfectly fine. So I am going to play around with this, and then I am going to run out to my appointment. I may run some errands while I'm out, and then I'll have to get back into the house because I have some work to do. I want to say to everyone, I wish everyone a happy new year, and I want everyone to put themselves first and strive for what you want in 2025 and moving forward. It is so important that we remember to put ourselves first and to feed and fuel ourselves, our souls, in every facet. So with my purchase of my new camera and mic and everything exciting, I am so looking forward to my career in influencing and creating content moving forward. I feel like this is such motivation for me to get back into really doing what I love doing and thriving in doing so. Thank you all so much for the continued support. I know this is like a really weird upload. I'm like, you know, I really want to share the news about my exciting purchase, and I'm super excited about it because I have been really stalking this camera for like the entire year. So the fact that I actually have it, and it's so amazing. The microphone quality is amazing because I am familiar with the brand. This is just my own first purchase. I'll be playing with this for a little while and getting very comfortable with it. And all of my content, for the most part, will be coming from here from now on. So I will see y'all soon. Happy New Year. See you next year.